Good morning and welcome to the Blue Bike. Lucille and Doyle channel. We are going on a road trip. 3 days. No, well, I guess you call it 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Weekend, overnighter trip. Not going to be the greatest because it might rain on us. Might cook crows on chicken butts, but it might turn out a pretty good day. So run an intro. Oh, yeah. So it's I think it's like 15-20% today, so it shouldn't be too bad. And might get on my beard. We are going to Tennessee, near Knoxville, and we're going to check out some roadside attraction. First stop is a Fort London, Londale, something like that. I don't think it say London, Londale, Londo, something like that. It's a fort, one of the earlier forts, a British fort. Yeah, this is before the America became America. Yeah, so we'll get up there because I don't know what I'm gonna record till we get up there. 3 hours away. 3 hour tour. Oh, we stopped here and got fuel, us and the bikes. We in Fairmont, Georgia. I'm gonna reset my mileage for my fuel. 217 miles on that tank. I think we got like 98 more miles to go to get to the fort. Fairmont, Georgia. Put my dark visor back on, so now it's probably gonna rain. And the pins are still in there good. I'm OCC about those now since I lost one. So we left the house this morning. It was a little cloudier than it is now. Like I said, farther north we go, better chances of not running in the rain. Till tomorrow, and about a 24% chance of rain. So we do it. This is called the, well, I guess you figured that out by the title. I don't know what else to say. We're going to the fort. London, something like London. It's up here about where we turn to go to the Dragon. We almost in Tennessee. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Uh-oh, puppy dog, look out, puppy dog, you right there at the state line. Here we go, gotta run. There you are, Tennessee, state line, right there. Let's go see Rock City. And a puppy dog, oh, like the dog we just seen. So I'm thinking we getting close to this fort thing, because that's right there is what that sign says. Fort LOUDOUN. Loud and Uno, I guess. Established in 1977. That must be when they redid it. Alright, I guess this is it, huh? Canoe launch. So I guess we just find us a place to park. And walk on in. pretty cool. Didn't cost nothing. It's a free location. I gotta learn to pick my kickstand up. Fort LOUDOUN. No rain yet. So if you want to see the inside of the thing, you have to go watch that video, and I'll link it right up here, right up there. So we ain't got but like 50 more miles to the hotel, but we're gonna see. I don't know if we can get checked in. Let's see, it's 1. Time we get there be 2. They might say no, but that's okay, because we're gonna stop at another location, another roadside attraction. I didn't tell you where yeah, I did. I kind of told you where we was going, right to Devil's Triangle, but where we staying at, Oak Ridge, was a secretive town back before Hiroshima, the atomic bomb. That's where they did the research and all for the atomic bomb. Alright, this gatehouse is supposed to be up here on the, well, it's on both sides of the road, but the main one's on the right. I mean on the left. I don't believe this is it. It's a big white building. There here was the gate that goes across the road. The main gate to get in, I guess. I don't know if it's the main one or whatnot. But this is a Cold War guard shack. Come on, people. Like I said, the Oak Ridge Turnpike check station. Ensure what goes on here stay here. So that was looking for it from the other way. So that's this building, and then there's no building there, and then the building across the street, the little white building. Unless that's the building in the middle, and I don't know. Known as the Gatehouse check station before its construction. United Energy Commission, K25. All right. It says. Ain't seeing. Make sure they can shoot out the little holes, just like a convention center. I don't know. Well, there you have it. Ain't nothing to it now. Looks like you can use it as a meeting place or something, where they got the tables set up. Getting out of here, it's gonna be fun. Oh, there goes a Jeep. So there might have been a guard shack here in the middle, and then that other one on that side. Yeah, coming and goings. Wasn't too bad. So we're in Oak Ridge now. This used to be, like I said, a military base that now is a town, a city in Tennessee. So next stop is a gas station airplane. I think it was 1939. Made to look like the Spirit of St. Louis, but smaller. And I think it started in 1939 and went on for 31 years pumping gas. So let's go check it out. Alright, we should be getting close to this airplane up here, or gas station I could call it. Is it an airplane or is it a gas station? We'll find out when we get up here. It might be just a museum now, I don't know. There it is. Can we get in there? Is it open? Drive through turn around and come back. Well, they closed on vacation till September 18th, which is tomorrow. We're not coming back down here. But it's pretty cool. Like I said, 19 something, 39. Pumped gas for 31 years. Yep. Not bad. You ever popping gas from the old gas station like that? You pumped it up how many you wanted and had your oil and everything. C-13. It was a airplane filling station, 1931. To tap the market newly created by the evolution of transportation mobility, American brother Henry and Emery Nichols of Power, Tennessee, opened a gas station, filling station, unusual shape of the airplane. It's now as a National Historic Site, 2004. All right, let's go to Harley store. So we made it back up here now. Hard place to get into. Pretty cool dealership. I see one I like. Let's check this road out. And the Bar Highway. Alright, that's a pretty good dealership. They talk with you and all. Ain't got much new ones though. But they got a lot of used ones. You can get a free poker chip here. How about that? Full color chip, for $1.99. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we're going out. We ain't gonna stop at the Indian dealership right next to the Harley dealership. Triumph, Victory, and all. So we got, let's see, I think about 20 miles to get back over to the hotel. Get checked in. Hope we don't glow in the dark, because that's the secret city, the atomic bombs capital. So I'm gonna close it out here, and we'll see y'all in the morning when we go to Brushy Mountain and ride the Devil's Triangle. Yeah. So you can go check out that video there and that one. Hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate it. We'll catch you tomorrow. Later.